This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to our Palo Alto 2-minute drill where we go over all the real estate related news, trends, everything for the city of Palo Alto. And we're gonna do it all in 2 minutes. So we're very high tech. We have our timer here and it's gonna go 3, 2, 1, go. So if you follow along with me down here in the lower third, you'll see that these are the trends for Palo Alto here for single family homes in January 2020. And so for the last 18 months, we've had more inventory than we have had sales and pendings for that matter. So the light green is for sale, active inventory, and the dark green is sold. And so you see this trend for the longest time, there's more inventory, and then all of a sudden in December that's flipped. And that's not just in Palo Alto, but across the county as well. And so if that trend continues, it means that for the first time in 18 months, it will actually be a true seller's market where the demand far outweighs the supply. And so if we go to the condo and townhome sector, however, and you look at this chart, that trend has not matriculated into the condo and the townhome sector. However, when you look at the county numbers, you'll see that the pendings are outweighing or outpacing rather the active inventory. And so those pendings will eventually turn into sales. And so what we might see in Palo Alto, still remains to be seen, is that the condo and townhome sector pendings or sales will actually outpace the active inventory, and it will be a true switch. But let's pay attention to that and let's keep our eye on that, okay? We have 35 seconds. So when we look at the absorption rate, however, in Palo Alto for both the condo and townhome sector as well as the single family sector, what you'll see is that the absorption rate is still indicative of a seller's market, regardless of whether you're in the single family sector or condo townhome sector. Now, if you look at this trend here, the green line, we have 39 to 61 to 150. That's a huge increase in absorption, which means that there's a big demand that's being, there's a lot of inventory right now that's being absorbed by the market. And so that's all the time we have, everyone. If you want a very in-depth analysis of the Silicon Valley market on a weekly basis, go ahead and subscribe to the Silicon Valley Snapshot, and the link will be down below. That's where I go over all of the market trends, stats, news for that week to keep you guys as fresh as possible and as in tune as possible with the current trends. This is Danny Gould, everyone, with the Selling Silicon Valley Group, and I will catch all of you in the next video.